Eliites Academy, a leading coaching institute in Manikonda, Hyderabad, dedicated to shaping the future of young minds. We specialize in providing world-class coaching for IIT JEE and NEET foundation programs designed for grade 9 students advancing to grade 10, as well as comprehensive foundation classes for students in grades 7 to 10. Our programs IIT JEE and NEET Foundation Program for grade 9 going to 10, a specialized program designed to build a robust foundation in mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology. Focuses on conceptual clarity, problem-solving skills, and exam-oriented preparation. Equips students to excel in their 10th grade board exams while preparing them for the challenges of competitive exams like IIT JEE and NEET. Foundation classes.
After joining Eliites Academy, I have improved very much in my studies.
This institution helped me in several different ways to boost my confidence in grades and also be confident overall through the subject. Eliites Academy has been really a game changer for me. It really helped me to learn about various topics above my level.
My journey through this faculty is really good, and I recommend everyone to come here.
Faculty is very nice. For example, Lokesh sir, he teaches physics.
Hello everyone, myself Lokesh, a passionate educator at Eliites Academy. Here we are shaping the future engineers and doctors. Here I want to talk about few insights about JEE Foundation and NEET. So why a student need to go to a tuition even though he is already enrolled in a school, is learning from the teachers over there. The first point is, many of us are aware of that. Last year, CBSE has deleted 30% of its portion in math and science. I am understanding this deletion of the portion as school want to develop a student overall development, maybe in sports, maybe in the lab, maybe in the other activities of the life. So what a school is objective is, if a student want to become a badminton player, a professional badminton player, why we burden with him with the science and maths, so deep concepts, so let's delete them. But what about the student who want to go and study in the future science as his major? The guy who want to learn badminton, he is seeking a professional help after school. But is the student who want to become an engineer or a doctor or a chartered accountant, is he getting enough standard science and math in school? Answer is no, according to the latest revision of the syllabus. So if you want to take education as a serious, your career depends on the education, then obviously we need to go, a student who want to take education, he need to go to the coaching. As the professional badminton player is going a coaching for a badminton, a professional dancer is going for a dance coaching, and the swimmer wants seeking a help of a swimming classes after the school. The same way, here we are nurturing the students who want to excel in the school curriculums, subjects, math, especially math and sciences. That is a major important point after deletion of a syllabus. Here we cover everything which is deleted and which actually required for a student to do well in his 11th and 12th. The second point of his approach is, generally we know CBSE schools conducts an exam in a descriptive pattern, where 1 to 10th class they almost write a descriptive pattern. But when you go to the 11th and 12th, serious competitive exams, major exams will happen in a multiple choice. So if a student is there in the school only till 10th class, adjusting to the objective type will become very difficult for them. And within that short period of 2 years, subject standard will elevated and the students missed a lot of related topics in the CBSE. They have to struggle a lot of time. So here the elites want to bridge the gap to the students who want to do their 11th and 12th with the national level competition. So here we emphasizes on practicing early introduction to the competitive world and then different type of questions and their answers. How do we handle, as a student who want to become a badminton player is seeking a professional badminton academy help. The same way we are here to bridge the gap between the whatever missed in the school and what is expected in competitive exams like JEE and NEET. So Eliites Academy providing bridging that gap, and we do here have a team who are teaching already 11th and 12th, have an enough experience and experts in the field and know exactly what is expected from the student in the 11th and 12th. Here we do provide a material which was asked all the good level of questions which is already asked in the national level exams like Olympiads and NTSC, and the material here is sufficient enough for the student who is studying from 8th, 9th, 10th to build their foundations strong to face the competitive exams and 11th and 12th confidently. So why we need to start early? Because starting early gives a orientation to the student to the multiple choice questions and competitive exam patterns. Whoever started early will have a better edge for sure here. And let's say we see another perspective. Let's say my son or my daughter is going to CBSE school, already performing in a school, they are getting 90% and above. But why I need to go for a tuition? If you take a CBSE data for a last year, the number of students who scored more than 90% was around 2 lakh plus. But number of top engineering college seats in India is 20,000. And if you remember, if you listen to me properly, I have told 90% only CBSE. But if you include state board toppers also, the number is very, very bigger. So it itself, the data itself is saying if a student is good at CBSE level, that is not sufficient to stand strong into the competitive exams. So you have to see any parent or a student who is observing and trying to join for a doctor or engineering courses in the future, they have to understand excelling in school is not the goal. That isn't sufficient at all. That is a passing degree. But we need to learn and adapt to the new approaches, conceptual clarity, deep thinking, problem solving skills. Everything need to be focused. Here, a passionate team who has already have an experience of teaching 11th and 12th students and guided them to the best ranks. We are here to help a student to understand the base concepts of 8th, 9th, 10th, which will boost them to get a better rank in 11th and 12th. Join Eliites Academy Manikonda, where preparation meets the success. Reach out us to learn how we can help your child to achieve their dreams by building a strong foundation in the evenings after school program. Thank you.
Eliites Academy, where academic excellence meets competitive edge.